Hello dear students, how are you all? Hope you are fine. Hope you are fit and healthy at your home. I am Sandhya Patel, your class 5th mathematics teacher from St. Mary High School. In our previous class we have completed till here. Now in today's class we are going to see further what is given. Arun's timetable. Now let's see what is written here. Arun sleeps at 10 pm and wakes up at 6 am. He plays from 7 to 8 am and again from 4 to 6 pm. Now there is a timetable of Arun has been given, and what is written that he is sleeping from 10 pm and wake up at 6 am and he plays at 7 to 8 am and 4 to 6 pm. So this is his timetable. Now Arun is saying one day is 24 hours. Then how will I find out 1/3 of a day? So we all know that in one day there are 24 hours. Now he wants to find 1/3 of a day. So how will we find 1/3 of a day? So 1 by 3 into 24. 3 get cut, for 24 get cut. Here comes 8. So what remains? 1 into 8. So 1 into 8 will be 8 hours. So 1/3 of a day is 8 hours. So now carefully watch the picture. What you can see in this timetable, 8 box is been colored. So this is 1/3 of a day in which the Arun is sleeping. Now let's see ahead. Use different colors to show. Now you are going to use different color to show what you have to show. Let's read. Playing 1/8 of a day. Now if Arun is playing 1/8 of a day, so how many hours he is playing, and the answer that will come, that many box you have to color in this picture. So let's find 1/8 of day. So 1/8 into 24. So 8 get cut, 24 get cut, 3 will remain. So 1 into 3 will be 3 hours. So answer is 3 hours. So 1/8 of a day will be 3 hours. Now what you have to do in this, you have to color 3 box. That is 1, 2, 3. This you will color. Then next is giving studying. He is studying 1/4 of a day. So what will be 1/4 of a day? So 1 by 4 into 24. So 4 get cut, 24 will cut. Here comes 6. So 1 into 6 will be 6 hours. So in a day he is studying for 6 hours. So now what you will do? You will write this solution in the notebook and color 6 box, 6 square in this picture. Now let's see ahead. How many hours does Arun take for sleeping? We have find that how many hours he is sleeping. He is sleeping 8 hours. So here you will write 8. Then studying, he is studying 6 hours and he is playing 3 hours. So in this thing you will write. Next question. What part of a day does he use for other activities? Now we have find three activity, 3 things he is doing in a particular day. So now how many time of or part of the day he will be using for other activities? So for sleeping he is taking 8 hours. So for studying he is taking 6 hours, and for playing he is taking 3 hours. So 8 plus 6 will be 14. 14 plus 3 will be 17. So he is spending 17 hours in sleeping, studying, playing. So the rest of remaining will be. So what you will write? You will write that 7 by 24 part of the day is using for other activities. How 7 by 24? If you subtract 17 with, if you subtract 24 with 17, answer will be 7. That is why 7 upon 24. So this thing you will write in a notebook. Let's see ahead. School magazine. A school has decided to bring out a magazine every quarter of the year. How many magazines will they have in a year? Now a school is deciding that they will bring out a magazine every quarter of the year. Quarter of the year means 1/4 of a year. How many magazines will they have in a year? So if they release 1/4 year of the, if they release one magazine at every quarter of the month of the year, then how many total magazine they will have in a year? If they want to print it at the end of each quarter of a year, which are the months for printing? Now suppose if they are going to print the magazine at every end of each of the quarter of the year, so at which month, in which month they are going to print? Mark the numbers for those months. Now we have to mark in this those numbers in which they have to print the magazine. So how we are going to solve this? So we know that in a year there are 12 months, right? There are 12 months. So quarter of 12 month will be 1/4 into 12. So 12 get cut, 4 cut, here comes 3. So 3 months. Answer is 3 months. So quarter of a year will be 3 months. So what they have to do? They have to print the magazine every 3 months of a year. So let's mark it in this picture. So first 3, then 6, then 9, then 12. So in this month of the year they have to print the magazine. I hope this is clear. Now let's see ahead. Sleeping Beauty. Have you heard of Kumbhakarna, the brother of Ravana? He is famous for sleeping for half a year. Now you must have heard the name Kumbhakarna. He is the brother of Ravana. What he used to do? He used to sleep half of a year. Half of a year means he used to sleep 6 months of a year. Next thing, what is written? Let's read. Most people sleep about 8 hours a day. Then what part of a day is it? Now most of the person are sleeping 8 hours a day. So we have to find that what part of the day it will. So what we will do? We will divide 8 with 24. So we know 8 get cut, 24 get cut. What will remain? 8 is a 24. So answer will be 1/3. So 1/3 part of the day, the most of the people sleep. So in the blank you will write 1/3 part of the day. Next question. So what part of a year do they sleep? A person 60 years old must have slept blank years. So if they are sleeping 1/3 part of a day, so if we calculate for 60-year-old man, so how many years he has slept? So how we will find? We will multiply 1/3 into 60. So we know 3 get cut, 60 get cut, 20 will remain. So answer will be 20 years. So a 60-year-old man will sleep. I hope this is clear. Now let's see next question. Next thing, card puzzle. See this card puzzle you have seen in the 61 page number. So this is the solution of that card puzzle. Let's see ahead. Kirti's shopping list. So this is a shopping list that made by Kirti. This thing she has to buy from the market. Now let's see, based on that the certain questions that have been given. Let's solve it. First question is, how much does 2 kg of tomato cost? Now in this price list, price of per kg has been given, all the items, and its price for 1 kg has been given. Now we have to find for 2 kg of tomato. So how we will find? We will multiply 2 into 12. Why 2? Because we want to buy, Kirti want to buy 2 kg and the price of per kg tomato is 12. So 2 into 12 will be 24. So answer is rupees 24 will the cost of 2 kg tomato. Next question, how much does half kg of tomato cost? Now for this what we will do? We will multiply half into 12. So 2 get cut, 12 get cut, 6. So answer will be rupees 6. So for half kg of tomato cost is rupees 6. Next question is, Kiran wants 2.5 kg of tomato. How much it will cost? Now Kiran wants to buy 2.5 kg of tomato. Now see in the list, what is the price of tomato? We know it is rupees 12. So for 2.5 kg it will be, we have find for half kg it is rupees 6. So let's find for 2 kg. 2 into 12, that is 24. We have just find the question number first. So what we will do? We will add both the answers, that is rupees 24 plus rupees 6. Answer will be rupees 30. So answer is, the cost of 2.5 kg tomato is rupees 30. Next question is, how much does 3.5 kg potato cost? Now what is the cost of the 1 kg potato? It is rupees 10. So for 3.5 kg, let's find 3 into 10 will be rupees 30, and for half kg, half into 10, it will be 5 kg. So it will be 5 rupees. So 30 plus 5 will be rupees 35. So price of 3.5 kg potato is rupees 35. Next question. Question E. What is the price of 1/4 kg of carrot? Now we have to find the price of 1/4 kg of carrot. So this thing you will be doing as a homework. Next question is, he bought a gourd of weight 4 and 3/4 kg and its cost. And these two both will be your homework. Now let's see G1. Look at the shopping list in Kirti's hand. How much will she have to pay to buy all of this? Now we have to, this is the list, right? This is the list of the material or the thing which Kirti wants to buy. Now based on this list we have to find that how much she have to pay if she want to buy all of this. So first is potato. So how much amount of potato she wants? She has to buy 2.1/4 kg of potato. So first I will do, and rest of 2 you have to do as your homework. So first let's find for 2 kg. So 2 into 10 will be 20 rupees 20, and for 2 kg potato is 20 rupees. Now 1/4 of 10 is, we know 1/4 of 10 is, so here what we'll do, 4 cut, 2 remain, and here 5 remains. So 5/2, if we divide 2 with 5, answer will be 2.5. So let's add 20 and 2.5. So what will be answer? Answer will be rupees 22.5. I hope this much is clear. Now next thing, that is for carrot and gourd, you have to do by yourself. Next question H. Make a bill of your own for vegetables you want to buy. Find the total money you will have to pay. So this will also be your homework. Now let's see next. Practice time. Rahim's journey. Rahim has to travel 1/4 kilometer to reach school. What distance does he travel to go to school and come back home? Now Rahim has to travel 1 1/4 kilometer to reach at the school. Now if you want to come back again to home, so how much distance he will be traveling? So 1 1/4 kilometer will be 5/4 kilometer. 5/4 kilometer. So for going from home to school, you have to travel 1/4 kilometer. So and again he wants to come from school to home. Total kilometer will be, you have to add 5/4 plus 5/4. Answer will be 10/4 kilometer. Let's simplify it. So here 10 cut 5 will remain and 4 cut 2 will remain. So answer will be 5/2 kilometer. So Rahim has to travel 5/2 kilometer when he want to go to school and come back to home. Next question, what coins? Lata bought a pencil and a pen for 7.5 rupees. She gave rupees 10. The shopkeeper gave back the money in half and quarter rupees. What are the coins she got? This will be your homework. Let's see next question. At the railway station. Your attention please. Mangalore Express coming from Mangalore and going to Thiruvananthapuram is now running late by half hour. So how much late the train is? It is late by half an hour. The train is late today. The right time is 6:45. Now the man is saying that train is late today and the right time is 6:45. 6:45 means 6:45. 6:45. Now let's see the question. Question number A. What time is train expected to come today? Now we know the exact time of train arrival was 6:45. That is 6:45. That is 6:45. Now the train is delayed by half an hour, 30 minutes. So what we are going to do? We are going to add 6, we are going to add 30 minutes in 6:45. So 6:45 plus 30 minutes equals to 7:15. So at 7:15 the train will reach or arrived. Next question. Nazia get off at a station after 2.5 hours from this station. What time will she get off? Now usually when train is on time, Nazia used to get off the station at after 2.5 hours. But today it is half hour late. So at which time she will reach? For this, what you will do? You will add 2:30 plus 7:15. So answer will be 9:45. Answer will be 9:45. So she will be reaching at 9:45 at her desired station. Next question, C. Saji will take 5 hours to reach Ernakulam by this train. At what time will he reach there? So this will be your homework. This thing you have to do as your homework. Now with this we have completed our chapter number 4, that is parts and whole. And from tomorrow we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 5, does it look the same. So for today this much only. Thank you so much.